Hey everyone, how are you doing? This is May Patreon 2024 Part 3 as a mind plug. We'll be looking at D&D prints, Warhammer proxy prints, figure prints. If you do enjoy them, the links will be down in the description. And if you do enjoy the video, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Discord or Patreon, the link down below. And let's get started. So we have PS miniatures. This is good 40k proxy, I will say, but we have the battle sisters of battle ones for it as well. That's coming up to be these fours. I don't know what these are called. I'm starting to get in more and more into different factions of it, getting a little bit more to lore. But if you need a proxy for your sisters of battles, this might be one of the ones you want to have for it. I don't know what the what you call it. The loyalty ones, but they do loyalty ones. Tordo's minis for this month. These are figures. Oh, they're doing Abigail for for a figure. That's gonna be very interesting to see. So this is the May release for the Jesse and the Pussycats from Underworld. This is from Metal Slug. I forgot where this is from, and that one's probably from Dragon Age, I believe. Origin, I believe. But yeah, these will be your figures for this coming month. Balcom Answer Sculpt, another figure, very good one. Looks like Isabella just got released from Baldur's Gate 3 that I need to have. I'm trying to get all of them. Claude, this was from last month, but they're doing the full house one, I believe, for this month. We have for May. We have we getting Stella Blade figure. That'd be kind of good. One from Delicious in the Dungeon, Elden Ring. Forgot where this is from. This is from last month. And your reward, and there'll be your bonus one, and there'll be another promo one that's coming out this month as well. I believe they're doing the three houses for Fire Emblem, if I remember correctly. But yeah, I remember he's going to do all three of the houses for the Fire Emblem. Just letting you know, Ivan Claude. Yuki Studio, doing this month will be Rimuru in a bunny suit outfit. Even though he's a man with a kind of a genderless form. the anime's funny. His friends are just dressing up different cosplay of female girls. And we got Asteria Akameda as well. So those would be really good to have. GM 3D, we got these. One from My Hero Academia. Forgot this anime was from. And this is from Spy Family. I'm sorry, I'm not really good at remembering names of every single character that's out there. Uh, I don't have that great of a cognitive function, but that is what it is. Dungeon pinups, release preview. So we got a thick girl in bikini. I think we're getting, and we got some nice pirate lady. This is for like D&D miniatures as well. You can make them really big. This looks like some kind of fighter cleric slash thing I'm looking at. Nope, no nudes, no nudes. You can get some free ones as well. Interested. Lost Kingdom miniature. This is a good Age of Sigmar, 40k, and proxy for the old world. But I don't think. I think this is for 40k. I believe. I believe these are. I would like to say Slanesh. They look more like Slanesh-ish. I would say demons. I don't know, but you guys, if you guys know, please let me know. Uh, I don't know what the Chaos Demon army looks like for the fantasy, but I wonder if I can actually make enough of them to put them into the thing. You got an actual thing for it as well. Succubi. Yeah, these are Slanesh. Looks like looking at it. Last Swords miniatures. This is actually really good for Old World so far. So we got some Bertoli set. Looking at it, we got some Griffin Riders, Knights. Yeah, Bertolli's. I'm waiting for the box still coming in this week. I'll be starting to do it. So these look like the questing night ones, but I don't know. So yeah, we have a lot. We have a lot that's coming in for them. See what we can get for all of that for $10. Well, it's €10. It might be $11, $12 for us. OXO 3D figures. These are figures. We got the Temple Assassins figure. I can't wait to get this and paint it. I do want to get a better version of a miniature of this. I don't really like how Games Workshop made her, so I want to have like a bustier, sexier version of it that people actually make a lot of, so that'd be kind of cool. I think this is going to be this month's loyalty for Star Wars because of May. I'm trying to see if they have what they're making for May for it. But so far, I don't see it. Here we go, May release. Oh, Mitsuru Kaijo. I do want her. And we got Kara from Last Avatar, and we got Rogue from the X-Men. So that'll be it for that. Herbius Studio. This will be your figure for this month from Hell's Paradise. I haven't finished watching the anime for it. But yeah, this will be your figure for this month for Hyperion Studio. Man Love figure. This is a lewd one of a lot of your favorite female. They do some male, but majority of them are female for the launch. So we got Yuffie from Borderlands, Karlach, a whole bunch of stuff for it. And you can go through all of that when you guys want to. And if I think this is the term that we're looking at for, I think this is for May. I don't know. But yeah, you can go look through all that yourself. Because I'm not going to get, I try not to get a lot of stuff, NSFW stuff on this video. But it's really hard when you look through miniatures. It's just, oh, you see it. Crap. Okay, we can do YouTube. White Wolf Tavern. Looks like it's a promos from looks like a demon. Cool looking demon. And this is going to be the May release. So I've got some halfling sorcerer. I do need halfling sorcerers. Gambler. Are we getting halflings? We're getting halflings. Oh, for the love of God, we're finally getting some halflings. We need halflings. Halfling dino mounts. No, we don't need that. I just need more halflings. 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 There's not enough halflings. We need more halflings. Fist of Fury. This is Flesh of God. If you're into dark, gory games like Dark Souls and Elden Ring in your D&D game, this is probably the one you want to get. You got your diorama frame. Diorama. If you're really interested in painting heroes and NPCs. Looks like we got more Oriental style of it for this month. We got Fist of Fury. We got some Onis as well as lots of Onis. Different types too. Medium-sized enemies. Well, sick bear folk. Bear folks are actually lawful good, I believe. I don't think you want them as your enemy. They're actually really good lycanthrope. Mass trickster Oni, vampire warrior, swordsman from nowhere, and Oni enslaver, sorcerer monk of void and death. This looks like the guy from Little Town. I forgot Chinatown. Little Chinatown, I believe that's the movie it was called. But yeah. You got the huge gargantuan enemies. You got your dragon. That's actually pretty cool looking right there, just crawling down from it. Throwbacks. And your bust. And that'll be it for that. 3D Manji. This is going to be figures. We got Rumi for it. Yeah, there's Lude one as well. You just saw me clicking away. And you got Seko from High School of the Dead. I bet that goes naked too. I think there'll be one more after this, but next. Digital Dark Pinups for this month, if I can find it. Nope. No, they do a lot of loot stuff. So if you're interested, uh, go look it up. I think on Facebook and stuff like that, they might have something. Deb of Imagination, 40k Proxy. Most of the stuff I saw so far they do was Nurgles. And they got some pretty good Nurgle one. This is the Primarch one as well. Instead of actual wings, you got smokes. So that's actually pretty kind of cool. Oh, they got a wing one as well. Um, different types of demon lore. This is what I want. One of the demon engines as Nurgle. That is cool. And we need a freaking Nurgle demon engines for it. We got some Poxwalker, looks like it. But yeah, Nurgles. I do have a Nurgle army. I have not finished it. This is probably the last one of the video. One page rules. They do a lot of proxies for Sigmar. Not really much of 40k. They did sub 40k. And Old World as well. For May releases, looks like we got the Elves and the undead, vampire undead ones. But they also have their also rules too if you want to play. That's actually kind of cool. Tiring undead with a coffin vampire. Chasing that guy. That would be really dope to paint. So we got some, looks like some vampire knights. Some Frankie weenies and high elf priest. So yeah, we got some elves, terrains, ships, and your welcome pack as well. That's actually really cool looking. Coffin out. That's gonna be a pain to paint unless you airbrush it first. If you airbrush it first with different types of colors, all you gotta do is dry brush and you should be done. A little bit of detailing paints on it, but yeah, we got some undead knights, some werewolves, undead knights, werewolves. We got some zombie, I would say. These guys looks cool too. Some terrain pieces. That's actually pretty cool. We got some high elves. I don't know how this will work because they have guns, some space guns. So I don't know how that works in Old World. You may have to kip bash with something else. I don't know. Well, yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Subscribe and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down the bottom. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.